how to use Bybit 20 USDT coupon code. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and open the Bybit application. Now from here, you want to make sure that your account is verified in order to avail this coupon. From here, you want to look for the rewards hub on your Bybit account. Once inside, wait for the page to load then, and you can just go ahead and look for the 20 USDT coupon. But right after verifying your account, you can then go ahead and click on my rewards right here, and you can then go ahead and see a 20 USDT coupon. Just go ahead and click on use and you should be good to go. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time, and as always, thank you.